Sarah G, oh. Bakit ito ba yung history? May natatakot para sa slavery. Let's give it up for our McNeely Urban Baby! Representing PPIC Warehouse Department na nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, walang epekto ang pagiging perfecto kung may sisirang tao sa iyo. Dahil salamat. Number 2! Grabe! Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Ang sarap masaktan! At least, ang sarap pa! Rated number 20! Isang na busog! Grabe! Parang hindi na rin itong production ko. Good morning, GPI! Alvin Samara representing Production 2 Department! Nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, masama magtanim ng galit sa kapwa, pero mas masama magtanim ng bata, lalo pag hindi mo jowa. Maraming salamat po! Wow! Sorry! Alam mo na po eh. Nasabi ko sa'yo eh.
Sana.
Di pa rin susuko, tiyadang mahigong maghintay. Nasaktan man ang gusto. Unti-unting bumaba.
Ohayo gozaimasu!
Japanese?
My name is Demalin Tarega, representing Production Support! Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan, hindi man ako kasing ganda ng nanay mo o kasing sexy ng ate mo. Malay mo, ako yung ulo mo. Nay, thank you!
Bakit ulo? Oh, ate, malay mo, ako ang ulo mo. Ay, ay, Mago! Grabe. Magpapaturo na si Amber Adi, oh. Kaya rin naman yung pagpapala ni oh. Asus. Oh. Oh. Sabi sa iyo eh. Oh. Sabi sa iyo eh. Masay-masay yan. Eh, sasaktan niya sa masay na. Sus. Masay mo, parang madarap din eh.
Region Fuentes, Parts Inspection. Tama. Mataas tumalon, malalong tumalon.
Ano raw? Ay, bumaon! Bumaon ka ang malalim kong bumaon! Kita-kita naman! Iba rin naman magpaon natin, pati sakit, una-una na! Candidate number 6! Grabe, nakabago talaga yung mga sing.
Sana ay binuno.
Pag may tinanim, ay! Rose.
Mahigpit ba? Oo! Mas papainitin ko ba? My name is Paulo Riel, 25, ang gwapto mabito ng QC Department! Na naniniwala sa kasabihang, alam kong hindi mo birthday, pero pwede mo ba't ni-blow ang candle ko?
Magandang umaga sa inyo, Glory Philippines! Narito sa inyong harapan ang babae kinababaliwan. Kinababaliwan ni Miyong! My name is Maria Pet Minagasaki Cortero, 23 years old, ang Rio Mori ng QC Department! Na nagsasabing ang babaeng gipit sa bikini office kumakami!
What's up, Badang Women? Good morning, Glory Philippines! My name is Matthew Moral, representing Broad Supplies! Kung ikaw matatakutin, huwag kang maharap sa salamin!
Sige na, provided number
「 representing Production 2 Department! At nag-iiwan ng isang katagang. Kuya, aanin mo pa ang shabu, marijuana, cocaine, kung sa akin pa lang, sabog ka na. Amen! Thank you!
Next up, candidate number 11.
Good morning, Glory Philippines! My name is Ryan F. Del Carmen, proudly representing PPIC Warehouse Department! At naniniwala ako sa kasabihang, hindi man ito kalakihan, pero may kagalingan. And I thank you!
Ate, subukan mo nga. Ay, invited ka. Yan tayo eh. Kung may mag-invited. Candidate number 12.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anissa M. Maclon, 21 years old, representing QC Department! Naniniwala sa kasabihan, pag iniwan ka ng jowa mo, don't say die, because tomorrow is another guy!
Thanks for the reminder, Yape ko. Next we have candidate number 13.
Good morning, everyone! My name is Julie Capi, representing PPIC Department. Para sa lahat ng mga kababaihan dyan, tricycle ba kayo? Pasakay naman hanggang Labasan.
Julie, hindi pwede sumakain. Bakit? Ay, nagkakain sa'yo.
Let's give it up for candidate number 14!
Susuko,
Paiva, Mary J. Luna, representing Ports Inspection. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung hindi mo pa natitikman ng mani ko, kawawa ka naman.
Ay, tikman ang mani mo.
Good morning, Glory Philippines! My name is Romero Campo, representing Production Team! Kung naniniwala sa kasabihan, dating hindi tumitikim ng mani, ngayon natikman ko, favorite ko na yan! Thank you!
Masarap na? Hindi ko alam, titikim na rin ako.
Let's get up, candidate number 16!
Good morning, everyone! Abigail Gianan from PBIC! Na naniniwala sa kasabihan, ang tunay na ganda ay nasa loob. Kaya utang na loob, huwag ka na lumabas! Thank you!
Okay, sorry, Abby. Bye! Last but definitely not the least, candidate number 17!
Good morning, everyone! Ang init mo! Ang hot ko kasi! I'm Carl Lawrence, Portugal! Ang pinakamabagsik at pinakamasarap sa QC Department! At nag-iiwan ng isang katagang. Pag naging tayo, papayag ako na ikaw ang batas! Basta, susunutin mo lahat ng aking katas!
Okay, Lawrence, pass. Gusto mo, ayaw mo mag-batas?
Once again, our 70 hot and sizzling bikini open candidates! A round of applause, please! Ate, uminit ba ang panahon? Nag-init ba ang mga ulo nyo? Nag-init ba kayo? Nauhaw ako! You want more?
Ay, ayaw na raw. Gusto na raw nilang maligo.
See 1,000 pesos in cash. Our Mr. Photogenic received 1,000 pesos to be awarded by Miss Jane. Mr. Photogenic is candidate number.
Wait, miss lang, miss. Miss muna, bagang mister.
Okay, nagkamali pala ako, sorry.
Ang hilig mo talaga sa mister.
Okay, our Miss Photogenic is none other than candidate number. Sino, guys? Candidate number 6, Miss Orbit Azotes! Congratulations! Our Miss Photogenic 2024. And now, let's have our Mr. Photogenic 2024. You will also receive 1,000 pesos in cash to be awarded by Ma'am Jane, and also there's a sash. Our Mr. Photogenic is none other than, congratulations, you are candidate number 13, Jimmy Gabe! Congratulations! Okay, group photo po. Ma'am Jane, group photo po. The second runner-up for the male category. May we have here on our stage our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Podia Kojima, and then wait for a while. Okay, first let's announce our female winner for our second runner-up. So may I call here on stage to award Mr. Yoshiro Pukada.
Okay, the second runner-up will receive a sash and worth 3,000 pesos cash.
Sir Pukada? Ay, yes, Sir Pukada.
Mali.
Sir Kojima, sorry. Okay, Sir Kojima will award the second runner-up for the female category. Sorry for the confusion. Okay, I have the result in my hand. For our second runner-up, female category, with an average score of 84.3% to receive 3,000 pesos cash, our female bikini open second runner-up is none other than, congratulations, candidate number 16, Abigail Bianan! Wow. Our second runner-up. Okay, next we have our second runner-up, male category, to be awarded by Mr. Fukada.
Sir, please be here on stage to announce our second runner-up, male category. Okay, our male second runner-up with an average score of 84.5% to receive 3,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations! You are the male bikini open second runner-up candidate number 15, Romel Ocampo. Dali siya. Paano ang sabak? Asan yung audience? Parang nilaloko tayo nito. Ito ang tawag nila. Okay, congratulations. Thank you, Sir Bukada. Group photo, please. Please be on the center stage. Okay, group photo, center stage, please. Okay, congratulations, sirs, and congratulations to our winners. 10 pesos in cash. With an average score of 84.4%, our first runner-up is none other than Miss. Congratulations, candidate number 8, Maria P. Cordero. Ano dito na tayo,